Today we are going to learn about conjunctions. What are conjunctions? A word that is used for joining other words and phrases or sentences. And we can say in simple language, they are joining words, connecting words, and group of words and short sentences. Okay? जो sentences को join करते हैं, two sentences को join करते, connect करते हैं, वो हमारे conjunctions होते हैं. और today we are going about 3 conjunctions: and, but, or. When we use and, when we use but, when we use or. And we use for similar ideas. And add information. Okay. But use for different idea, different and an opposite idea. Okay, and very simple. Or use make choice. Make choice between two or more option. Okay, so and use for similar idea, add information. किसी सेंटेंस के अंदर अगर हमें एक जैसा आइडिया लिख रहा है और किसी के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन है, ओके, सो वी यूज देयर एंड कंजंक्शन. कनेक्ट two sentences with and conjunction. Okay, and but use for different idea and opposite idea. Okay, and or use for choice. जब हमें दो के बीच में कोई choice दे रखी हो तो हम वहां पर और conjunction का use करेंगे. Is it clear? Here 3 conjunctions: and, but, or, with some example. First, and. So as I told you, we use and to combine similar ideas or add information. Okay, so our sentence is: Tom loves to play cricket. Tom loves to play football. Okay, here we are talking about Tom and he's loved to play 2 games, cricket or football. So when we combine these 2 sentences, so our answer will be Tom loves to play cricket and football. Okay, but listen carefully. When we join these sentences using and, have to remember a thing. Okay, keep in your mind. If you observe 2 sentences, देखो आपको ये 2 सेंटेंस दिखाई दे रहे हैं ना, you will realize that the words Tom loves to play repeated twice. 2 बार रिपीट हुआ है. टॉम लव्स टू प्ले. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस टॉम लव्स टू प्ले. सो व्हेन वी जॉइन दिस सेंटेंसेस ना, टू मेक वन, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू रिमूव दैट पार्ट दैट इज रिपीटेड. सो इन दिस सेंटेंस टॉम लव्स टू प्ले इन रिपीटेड twice now, so hence we will remove that part, and in place of that we use conjunction and. आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि हम and हमें जब यूज करेंगे ना, तो हमारे सेंटेंस में जब रिपीटेड पार्ट जो है ना, उसको हमको रिमूव करना है. ओके, और हम जब लिखेंगे तो वहां पर जहां हम सेकंड पार्ट को रिमूव करेंगे ना, वहां हमें and लिखना है. उससे सेंटेंस हमारा कनेक्ट करना है. ओके, सो that part, and in place of that we use conjunction and. So our sentence would be Tom loves to play cricket and football. Okay, so we have join, connect this 2 sentences, combine 2 sentences with and conjunction. Okay, one more example: Dog is a faithful animal. Dog is a clever animal. Okay, so our sentence would be using and. Dog is a faithful and clever animal. Okay, so here we are talking about dog and his quality, है ना. इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहे किस बारे में कि वो faithful है और clever है. Okay, so we join these two sentences and our answer will be dog is a faithful and clever animal. Okay, next, but. So we use but to show a difference and or an opposite idea. Okay, so let's see some example of using but. Ram ran fast. He finished third in the race. Here we are talking opposite idea and hence we combine these two sentences. So the answer will be Ram ran fast, but he finished third in the race. Okay, one more example. Giraffe is tall, dog is short. Okay, so two different ideas now in these two sentences. So the answer would be giraffe is tall but dog is short. Okay, so but is used for difference and opposite ideas. Okay, next, or, very easy. Let's see example. And where we use or to show a choice between two or more options. Okay, so example, do you want ice cream? Do you want pizza? Okay, so here two sentences we use or. Okay, so here are choice between ice cream or pizza. Okay, so we join two sentences using or. We have to remember same point that we had done when we joining sentences using and ना. जब हमने and में join किया था sentence तब हमने ध्यान दिया था ना, repeated part हमने remove किया था. Again यहाँ पर do you want and do you want repeated twice ना, so we remove that part. Okay, तो हम ये part remove करेंगे and combine these two sentences. What is going to happen? The repeated part will disappear or remove, and in place of that will use or. So a sentence would be, do you want ice cream or pizza? Okay, come to the next example. Is it Monday? Is it Tuesday? So a sentence, Monday or Tuesday. Okay, is it clear? So today what did we learn? We learned that conjunctions are joining words, connecting words, group of words, short sentences, and we have learned about 3 conjunctions: and, but, or. And used for similar ideas and information, but used for different ideas and opposite ideas, or used for mixed choice between 2 or more option. Okay.